Installing a 21-inch wide workhorse path. Please watch the installation videos for 4 and 8-foot wide paths first. As you've seen in previous videos, workhorse panels, as they come from the factory, are 4 feet by 3.5 feet. The panels may be easily divided in half by removing 2 pins. This gives you two 48-inch by 21-inch half panels. 21 inches is what we want for narrow walking paths, or for rolling heavy loads more easily. The half panels are just dropped onto the self-connector brackets, end to end. Here the ground isn't too bad, it's just covered with a little bit of mushy snow. Still, the path makes rolling a lot easier, and you'll see this in another video. Also, the ground conditions can be rather slippery. Curves can be added anywhere. They can be either right or left. Here are two 30-degree right and left curves. Standard curves are 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees. They may be combined to form a variety of curves. Here, a right 30-degree curve is being installed. Now we'll move the camera back and install more path. To create a jog in the path, a left 30-degree curve is now installed. Next, more straight half panels are installed. If you wish to widen straight sections of path, half panels may be connected to the sides of existing path. Half panels may be added end to end to make a path as long as you want. We'll stop here at 30 feet. The installation has taken about 2 minutes. The installation over snowy, icy ground.